Okay, good morning. I just took a short on NTAP here. You can see it's had a nice run up from 52.25 up to this area where there's been some supply, but it is having rising volume now all of a sudden, so that's not usually what I want to see. So I'm going to see, I might just end up getting out of this play. But I do like the fact that it's come up quite a bit here, and the market seems to start to be going sideways, but yeah, that volume is pretty high there. Okay, let's see here. NTAP was break even, and got short ACAM here. It's been going up all day, and got above here the gap down, and now it's come below it. So I think have some type of pullback here. I've already got 15 cents in the trade. So I was going to keep an eye on it. Maybe 48.10 cover. It's coming from 47. And you can see this thing's been going up. It hasn't had a red candle all day, so buyers might be getting a little bit tired. You can see some volume is rising here on this red candle that's forming right now. And the market's coming off a little bit also. So I'm going to go ahead and get more push down. I'll go ahead and cover. Okay, ACAM is at my target here at the whole number, 48.04. So I'm going to go ahead and cover my 200 shares out for $88 profit, 48.49 sold, shorted, and 48.05 covered. You can see came up to where this gap had gap down, came above it, and then started coming below it. So that's a good short. As far as you can see, it's been going up all day, no pullback, so you got to put all those factors together. It's been going up all day, no rest. Stocks have to breathe; they can just keep going up. Just like when you're running on a track, you know, you got to take a breath. You can't just keep running forever. So it was going up all day, and it also hit a level, and then came back below it. So that was a good idea for a short, and I'm out. Okay, I just took a short on LVS here. This thing's run up into some congestion from yesterday. Just 200 shares short at 46.35. Just going to be a quick trade here, as most of them are with me. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and cover here for a quick 25-cent trade. That was short LVS 46.35, covered at 46.13, and I was really waiting for it to get to 47, but where it was coming from, 44, I didn't think it was going to really get there. So I just went ahead and got short based on, you can see this congestion here, see up, down, so I figured that could be used as a form of resistance too. Obviously 47 is better, and I was just giving this a shot just for a quick trade, as you know, I just got 22 cents out of it. So I also had a really bad day yesterday, so I'm just trying to take some quick trades here and there and just recuperate some of the losses I incurred yesterday. Okay, I just took a long on APC here. It's come down from 63 into a level of support. Let's see here also. Back a week or two ago, some support also here at 62. So I'm long 200 shares at 62.02. Market's going sideways right now, and I'm going to look for a move up here. Stops below 62-ish. Okay, that one went down pretty quickly from 61, so I had to cover 61.88 for a $28 loss. And looking here at the chart, you can see it bounced off 61.50, not 61. So if we pull up a 60-minute chart, it looks to me like that would have been the better level. I was thinking here because of yesterday's action, and it seems like 61.50 might have been better. So you can see this isn't always as easy as it looks, but you just try every day and see what works and try to learn from the mistakes. So I'm going to try to start looking at the 60-minute chart more to find some stronger levels, because it's a little more clearer on the 60-minute chart sometimes. So that was it. Okay, now looking back, as far as 61.50, it might have been just better to wait to 61. You can see that's the green line on the screen, and it tagged there, there, and there, and so you never really know. I mean, I think obviously the longer you wait, the better, as far as probability goes. But anyway, just wanted to point that out. Maybe it would have been better just to wait to 61, but 61.50 looks to be working. Anyway. Okay, I'm trying to short here on CTXS off the same level I went long 2 days ago, which was 63.80 area. So we pull up 60-minute chart. You can see 64, 63.80. There's been some resistance, and we've had a nice run up from 62. So let's see if this works. Okay, I covered there at 71 just for a break even because this was having a huge volume bar, but it wasn't going anywhere. And so, I don't really like to see that. There's going to be higher volume. I like to see at least the price moving down, but it wasn't moving down. So it's moving down now, but either way. So that was the reason I got out of the trade there. Okay, I just got long VMW. It's kind of a sell-off. Apple broke 300, and there was some news out on NTAP, and this thing was, I feel like, overdone. Went from 77 to 74, so just good for a quick trade. As I said, I think it was overdone there, so I got an order out to sell at 75.21. There, I got filled for a 64-cent trade, just quick momentum. But yeah, as I said before, overdone. Here we pull up Apple. See, this thing broke 300, which was a pretty psychological level for Apple. Came down to 298 and popped. And pull up NTAP here. Had some news out. I think they had their earnings when the market was open, so this came off. And then BMW, which is kind of related, it all came off pretty quickly down to 74, but it came down 3 points. And I just, like I said, feel it was a little overdone. As you can see, it popped pretty good, $1.30 off the lows already. So just a quick trade there. Okay, I'm going to call it a day here, up 145 on the day. Took a few trades for today, only one loser. Could have traded some things better, but that's how it goes. So it was a pretty much boring day until NTAP had that earnings release and caused some tech stocks to sell off, and then Apple broke 300, which helped fuel some cheaper prices to get long, or you could have played the breakdown. But anyway, not a bad day, and gonna see you tomorrow, hopefully.